country you are watching. Watching from your popular host, CNG evangelist, entrepreneur. So today I want to expatiate more to shed light on one of the issues that has been agitating the mind of those that use CNG in Nigeria. And the question is this: do CNG spoil engine? CNG conversion, does it spoil your car engine? Now, when I go out to market to enlighten people on what CNG can do in terms of economical benefits, they say no, it's not good. They prefer the one from manufacturer from overseas. They don't want this, that it is spoiled engine. Ask my son, ask them, have you used it before? They say someone said, no, the person that ever said it, has it gone out of the country or has it witnessed someone that used CNG before? The first time I saw gas that run on CNG was not in Nigeria, was in 2010. That really does about a lot of years. So when our president mentioned a move in 2023, I see that there's a big move to initiate what I saw way back in 2010. Now, is it true that CNG spoils engine? CNG spoils your car engine. Is what is capital no. A properly installed and calibrated CNG system does not damage your engine. In fact, CNG burns cleaner than petrol. That's one of the things. They call it what? They call it green energy. It's what it doesn't deplete the ozone layer. I'll be talking about some times now so that people to understand that those don't know what it's all about. Now we're talking about ozone depletion. The carbon monoxide that comes from car, from generators and stuff, it's caused a lot of harm for us. Look at the problem that we have in the country now. We're talking about the time it's out to rain and it's not raining. Let's not go into agree or into methodology. Let's go into what we talked about, the CNG. Now it doesn't. Now that pollutants that come from car cause a very big harmful effect to us. It affects our environment, affects the ozone layer, also at the same time it affects the food we eat, it pollutes it. At the same time, it's also what it also have an effect in the what you spend to get what we need. Now, if there is high surplus of food in the country with very little price, people will be able to afford to eat not only 3 square meters, maybe 4 square meters. Now the issue is this. Now those cars that run, vehicles that run on CNG, they are assisting us. They are assisting me. They are assisting us. In saying that they are not constituting to the depletion of ozone layer. They are making our environment to be as green as it has to be before. So when you see someone using CNG, running his vehicle on CNG, that shows that such a person is adding value to your life, adding value to my life. So don't see him as a threat. Don't say that, yeah, the engine will not last, the engine is this. No, I'm making this clear to you that a properly installed and well calibrated CNG vehicle does not spoil your engine. Now, if you need more further about what I'm saying, I'm going to share some links on after my video that I can read more about it. I'm a computer scientist, and we've done a lot of research with people that are into mechatronics to see how we can do something better for the Africans. Now, with the aid of the support from Stargas, Stargas gave Blue Screen Automation enough resources to read, so that we're able to tell the world, to tell Nigerians that it is safer and even economical to run your vehicle on CNG. Now, some people also ask me, they say, it's like when you convert your car, the car will be running both on petrol and on gas. In my next video, I'm going to also do justice to that, so they'll be able to see and get to know that engine that run on CNG, one is safer. It cleans the valve, it cleans the piston, at the same time, it's adding value to you and adding value to me in the sense that the engine is not bringing out carbon monoxide that constitutes to the depletion of the layer that cause harmful effects from us, all of us. If you are thinking of living green, living like the way our forefathers, the time of Abraham and Eve, when they live, when everything is green, we have to return to the old system of doing things. So my next video talks about things that relate to why you need to run your engine, your car, or CNG. If you need more information, you can contact, drop a message on my beneath this video. I'm going to give a reply to whatever you add this to your mind. I'm still DJ anyway. Thank you.